Assalamu alaikum students. In last video we discussed about Indian capitals, Indian states and their capitals. In last lecture we discussed Indian state with their capitals. In this video lecture we will discuss about the UTs of India, Union Territories, and with their capitals, and we will try to conclude this topic in this very video lecture. This is Tamil Nadu, as I have discussed this state already in last video, and here mark here there is a UT called Pondicherry. It is one of the UTs of India and its capital is Puducherry. Here draw a dot like this. There is another UT of India, Dadar and Nagar Haveli. Dadra and Nagar Haveli is another UT of Union Territory of India, with its capital is Silvassa. Here is another UT like this. It is Daman and Diu. Its capital is Daman. Pondicherry, capital Puducherry, one of the UTs of India. Second UT, another UT Dadar and Nagar Haveli, capital Silvassa, and Daman and Diu, another UT of India, Union Territory, and its capital is Daman. And here, as we have already discussed it, here is a UT like this, Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the Union Territory of India, with its capital Chandigarh. Chandigarh is also the capital city of Punjab and Haryana. Here is another UT of India, that is Delhi, with New Delhi its capital, and New Delhi is the capital city of India also. Another UT is like this, Jammu and Kashmir. This is also a Union Territory of India, with Jammu and Srinagar as its capitals respectively. Jammu is the winter capital and Srinagar is the summer capital. Another UT is Ladakh, and its capital is Leh. Here in Bay of Bengal there is the one of the largest island groups, largest island group of India, that is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Almost 572 islands are there, and that comprises the Indian's largest Union Territory of India. It is the largest Union Territory of India. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and its capital is Port Blair. Andaman and Nicobar Islands with capital Port Blair. And here is also group of 36 islands, that is also the UT of Union Territory of India, that is Lakshadweep. With its capital Kavaratti. Lakshadweep group of 36 islands, it is the India's smallest UT in terms of area as well as in terms of population. India's smallest Union Territory in terms of area as well as in terms of population is the Lakshadweep group of 36, almost 36 islands, and its capital is Kavaratti. Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a group of 572 islands, and its capital is Port Blair, and it is the India's largest UT. In terms of area, it is the largest UT, and in terms of population, Andaman Nicobar Islands is the largest Union Territory of India in terms of area, but in terms of population, New Delhi is the largest UT of India in terms of population. Lakshadweep is India's smallest UT in terms of area as well as in terms of population, and in terms of this population, Uttar Pradesh is largest state of India. UP is the largest state of India, but in terms of population, followed by UP is followed by BMW. B stands for Bihar, M stands for Maharashtra, and W stands for West Bengal. UP largest populous state of India, then followed by BMW, Bihar, Maharashtra and West Bengal. And in terms of area, if we look at the area, which state occupies the larger area? So in terms of area, Rajasthan is the largest state. Rajasthan is the largest state in terms of area, and smallest state of India in terms of area. Smallest state in terms of area is the Goa. Goa is the India's smallest state in terms of area. And if we look at the smallest state in terms of population, as we know, UP is the largest state of India in terms of population, but the smallest state in terms of population is smallest in population is Sikkim. This one. It is the Sikkim, and it is the smallest state of India in terms of population. if we look at the forest cover of India, forest cover, MP, Madhya Pradesh, its capital is Bhopal. Madhya Pradesh is the largest state in terms of forest cover. We can say Madhya Pradesh has the largest number of forests. Madhya Pradesh occupies the largest number of forests all over the India. So this very state has the largest forest area. This state has the largest land under forest cover in India, followed by Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh has also the largest area under forest cover after Madhya Pradesh in India, and smallest state with forest cover. The state which covers minimum area under forests is Haryana. Haryana is the state of India which has the smaller area under forest cover. This is north, south, east, west. The northmost point of India is Indrakul. Indrakul is the northmost point of India, and the westmost point in the Kutch district is Gormati. Gormati is the westmost point of India, and here in Arunachal Pradesh is the eastmost point in Kebathu or Kebathi. Kebathi is the eastmost point of India, and here in Kanyakumari we can say sometimes there is mentioned it is the Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari or Cape Comorin is the place in the Tamil Nadu area in Kanyakumari that is the southernmost point of mainland India. So this is the northmost, westmost, eastmost. This is southernmost but of mainland India. This is the mainland India. India also consists island groups. Here is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. That is also the part of India, but that is called a part of Indian Union. So that is not the part of mainland India, that is the part of Indian Union. So if there is a question which is the southmost point of Indian Union as a whole, that is Indira Point. Indira Point is southmost point of Indian Union. Remember this Kanyakumari, Cape Comorin is the southernmost point of mainland India. This is the mainland India, but India also consists of island groups, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It's also the part of Indian Union. So southmost point, when there is the southmost point of Indian Union as a whole, that means that there we can say it is the Indira point, that is the southmost point of Indian Union as a whole. But when there is mentioned southernmost point of mainland India, that is Cape Comorin. And from north to south, India is 3,214 kilometers. From north to south, India is 3,214 kilometers, and from this west to east, India is 2,933 kilometers. From north to south, India is 3,214 kilometers, and from east to west or west to east, India is 2,933 kilometers. Here is the country like this, Sri Lanka. That is also the neighboring country of India. So Sri Lanka is separated by a waterway. Sri Lanka and India are separated by a waterway or joined by a waterway. It is a narrow strait of water which is known as Park Strait. Park Strait lies between the India and Sri Lanka, Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka. It is the Park Strait which is between India and Sri Lanka. So we can also say here it is the Arabian Sea, and here is this Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is also a sea. So the water of Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea water is joined by this Park Strait. This very strait joined these two seas. Through Park Strait, these two seas, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, gets connected via this route. So here is another country, island country, that is Maldives. Maldives capital is Male. With this we have discussed the Indian states, their capitals, UTs and their capitals, and the northmost, southmost, western, easternmost points, and this island groups as well. Thank you.